Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we'll be discussing a recruitment notification that has been published by NHPC. NHPC is going to recruit trainee engineers and trainee officers through GATE, UGC NET, CCLAT, CA, CMA scores. So friends, place of posting will be all India multiple cities, and educational qualification is bachelor's degree, master's degree, diploma, etc. And pay scale is already mentioned here, as you can see here. So friends, let's discuss this recruitment notification in detail. So before we begin, I would like to inform you that if you are an engineering graduate or an engineering diploma, then this is the right place for you, because here in Exams Made Easy we used to discuss engineering recruitment notifications. We used to analyze all the engineering recruitment notifications every day. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any coming updates. So friends, the first post is for trainee engineer in civil engineering discipline, as you can see here on the screen, and total number of vacancies 30 numbers. And educational qualification is full-time regular bachelor's degree in engineering technology or BSc in engineering degree in civil engineering discipline, and minimum 60% marks or equivalent degree or AMIE with minimum 60% marks is required. But friends, for AMIE, enrollment should be within 31st May 2013 and should have appeared in GATE 2020 examination in corresponding to GATE paper, that is civil engineering paper, and age limitation is 30 years as on 1st of October 2020, and pay scale is from 50,000 to 1,60,000. Coming to the next post friends, in mechanical engineering category, trainee engineer, total number of vacancies 21. Educational qualification is same, that is BE, BTech or BSc in mechanical engineering or AMIE in mechanical engineering with minimum 60% of marks, and friends should have appeared in GATE 2020, and maximum age limitation is 30 years as on October 2020, and pay scale is 50,000 till 1,60,000. So friends, for trainee engineer, total number of vacancies for 5 for this post. Educational qualification is master's degree in or postgraduate diploma or postgraduate program in management with specialization in human resource management and labor relations, or full-time regular 2 years master's degree in social work with specialization in personnel management and industrial relations, or full-time regular 2 years master's degree of human resource. So friends, for this you should have appeared in UGC NET June 2020. So friends, you know very well that June 2020 UGC NET is yet to be scheduled, and age limitation is 30 years as on 1st of October 2020, and pay scale is same as the previous two posts. Now coming to the next post, that is trainee engineer, trainee officer law. Total number of vacancies 8. Educational qualification is full-time degree in law, and friends should have appeared in common law admission test, that is CLAT 2020, and age limitation and pay scale is same as the previous post. Coming to the next post, trainee officer finance. Total number of vacancies 20. Graduate with CA from Institute of Chartered Accountants India. First candidate are eligible to apply, and age limitation and pay scale is same as the previous post. So friends, upper age relaxation is permissible as per government norms, that is 5 years for SC ST, 3 years for OBC, and 10 years for person with disabilities. So qualifying marks as 60% I have mentioned earlier, that is 50% only for person with disabilities and for SC and ST category of candidates. So friends, candidate selection will be done based on GATE 2020 rank and UGC national eligibility test June 2020 marks, though June 2020 UGC NET is yet to be scheduled, and this is the website by following which you can get each and every information regarding the same. An online application link is available in the description box of this video itself. Online application procedure though has not yet been started. It will start from 29th August 2020 and it will continue till 20th September 2020. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. If you have any queries, please let us know by commenting in the comment box below. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.